A very happy morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about development of endosperm. As we all know that in the post-fertilization events, the endosperm will be developed where the embryo development will continue. First of all, endosperm develops from the primary endosperm nucleus present in primary endosperm cell which stores the food materials. It is utilized by the embryo during the early development, then after at the time of seed germination. Food is present in endosperm. The endosperm is of three types on the basis of development: nuclear endosperm, cellular endosperm, helobial endosperm. The nuclear endosperm is also considered as free nuclear endosperm. This type of endosperm found in dicotyledons. Such type of endosperm develops by free nuclear divisions of primary endosperm nucleus. Thus, a multinucleated endosperm is formed. Later on, cytokinesis takes place so that multicellular endosperm is formed at maturity. This type of endosperm is the most common in angiosperms. The milky fluid found in green coconut is an example of nuclear endosperm, which is called liquid syncytium. The second one is cellular endosperm. This type of endosperm is found in Gamopetalae group. During the development, each division of primary endosperm nucleus is followed by cytokinesis, so that endosperm remains cellular from the beginning. The third one is Helobial endosperm. During the development of this type of endosperm, first division of primary endosperm nucleus is followed by unequal cytokinesis so that two unequal sized cells are formed. Now, free nuclear divisions takes place in each cells, it becomes multinucleated. Eventually, cytokinesis takes place so that it is changed into a cellular endosperm. This type of endosperm is found in the order Helobiales, that is monocots. It is intermediate type of endosperm. Let us see various endosperm can be seen in various species. Double endosperm can be observed in coconut. Chlorophyllous endosperm will be observed in Viscum raphanus. Ruminate convoluted endosperm can be seen in Passiflora, Areca, Elateria. Hard endosperm can be seen in date palm and Areca. Mosaic endosperm can be seen in maize and tomato. Oily endosperm can be seen in coconut, castor, cotton. Proteinaceous endosperm can be seen in cereals, especially in the alluron layer. Starchy endosperm is observed in the cereals. Hemicellulose endosperm is observed in date palm, coffee. And the cellular endosperm is seen in ivory palm. This is the discussion about the types of endosperm and various examples of endosperms. Thank you.